Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to pay for multiple order at once on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up our 1688 Chinese shopping app. I'm going to open my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you source for product and add the product to cart. If you don't know how to source for product and add the product to cart, you can check the video out on my channel. I have made a lot of videos step by step on how to source for product, how you add the product to cart. After you have successfully added the product to cart, go ahead and click on here to proceed to your cart. Then all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select each one you want to pay for. So I'm paying for this one right here. I'm paying for this, and I'm paying for this. Then I'll scroll down, I'm paying for this. And I scroll down, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this. And I'll scroll down, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this. Then having select all the product I'm going to pay for, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like what you see right here, I'm paying for multiple order from different store at once on my 1688 Chinese shopping app. So next thing you want to do at this point here, make sure you review that everything is correct, including your shipping address from the top right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you choose your means of payment. So in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay. So we have to make sure we scroll down right here, continue to scroll down to the last part and click on here. The next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on Alipay. So having select Alipay, go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Then at this time, I'm paying the sum of 77.35 yen to purchase all this order at once. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So I'm going to click on here now to proceed to checkout. Just like what you see right here, I'm paying the sum of 77.35 to purchase all these goods at once. Next thing we need to do is to make sure we click on here to proceed. Then we go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. So here we go, payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to close this pump up. I have to click on here now to my profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, this product you just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's find out. So we have them right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here and come back to my WhatsApp right here. I'll click on here, select the gallery, and select the payment right here. That's payment made for all goods. Thank you always. And send. It's that simple. So you can see my chat with this particular person right here. So this is when we start to work on the links. So it's about 8 different links right here. You can see everything right here. The picture of what they want on 1688, the quantity they want, and everything about their order right here in my WhatsApp. You can see complete links right here. It's that simple. So if this is exactly you want me to do for you, whether on 1688 you want me to pay your supplier, on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Haidufish, JD.com, Alibaba, AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.